Today we talk about common ways to rephrase, and we also talk about all the template of all types of essays, and also talk about examples, how to give and how to make good intro, effective intro and body paragraph. Let's start. Common ways to rephrase. First way is active to passive. Simple. Active do does plus v verb first form. Passive is am are plus v3. Did plus v1 or v2. Was were plus v3. Will shall plus v1. Will shall be plus v3. Now we talk about continuous. Is am are was were plus verb ing. Add being add plus v3. Perfect. Has have had plus v3. Add been plus v3. Perfect continuous. This is not exist when active to passive. Let's examples on active passive. Let's see examples. Some people think youngsters should pursue their passion. Some people think is similar. Just take passion first, should, there, and be, and third form of pursue, pursued by youngsters. You can also write that one same. It is thought that passion should be pursued by youngsters, and similarly also another type to write pursuing passion by youngster is recommended by some. Now let's move to sentence syntax of this sentence. Active passive sub plus verb, main verb or auxiliary plus verb, and modal plus verb. Subject is, was, will be, adjective or objective. Now second type of rephrasing is infinitive to noun gerund. Syntax is sub plus verb, subject plus verb, VING plus new verb, like children are spending time on computer. VING, spending time on computer by children is being observed. Next one is C type pronoun statement and question. Statement to question, convert statement to question, like sub plus verb, helping verb plus objective. Example: he is intelligent. Is he intelligent? Is he intelligent? And question mark. Sub plus main verb plus objective. He plays cricket. Does he play cricket? Sub plus helping verb plus main verb. Technology has changed our lives. Has technology changed our lives? And now we give to how to make example. First example on survey study plan. In a survey, it was found that 80% parents living alone had less mental pressure. Imaginary. A survey revealed that when 80% started living alone, their mental pressure reduced. In an experiment study, so you can use all three. This one. A survey revealed that use if condition, that if 80% had not started living alone, their mental pressure would not have reduced. This is 7 band example. A survey revealed that 80% living alone had less mental pressure. And you can also write this one. A survey revealed that it had 80%. You can just remove if and move had to if if side. Had 80% not started living alone, their mental pressure would not have reduced. Now how to give personal example from my personal experience. Unless I had not started living in hostel, I would not have become independent. Experience, for instance, to exemplify, to cite a paradigm, to sport. My uncle's tensions reduced when his own son started living on his own. In an interview, magazine, TV show, you can also use this word. In an interview, a professor in Cambridge reported that His mental pressure significantly reduced after his son started living alone. Now, example I think is done, and now we move to advantages, disadvantage, positive, negative trends, or tractor question. Common vocabulary on advantages, fruitful effects, benefits, merits, upsides, pros, constructive outcomes. Disadvantage, common vocabulary, negative consequences, repercussions, drawbacks, demerits, constraint, a shift in society, development, change in the scenario of. Now the vocabulary of different perspectives from the individual's point of view, from family's viewpoint, from the society angles, from nation perspective, business, environmental, political, if etc. Now move to intro, how to rephrase. When rephrasing, the trend of something is being or for ongoing process followed by someone. The trend of something is for simple sentence followed by someone. The trend of something can be observed in today's society. Alternative of these rephrases. A shift in the society from dash to dash can be observed. Any things which happen one time to other time. The development of dash can be noticed or seen. The change of scenario related to dash is set getting common, popular. Dash is getting in trend. These all kinds of showing trends. How to write thesis and conclusion options. Reason to opinion. It will have fruitful consequences because of dash and dash. Reason and opinion. You can write two reason 1 and reason 2 here. It leads to dash and dash, therefore its consequences will be fruitful. Reasons first one, second one. Owing to its merits, which are dash and dash, it will have constructive outcomes, opinion and reason. Because of dash and dash, it will have fruitful consequences. Owing to dash and dash, its results will be positive. Now we can temp how can write. It's all about templates of body paragraph, topic sentence, the aforementioned development leads to, or subject plus verb complete sentence. Structure for explanations. This is because dash sentence double comma consequences consequently and sentence. This is the reason that sentence thereby sentence. Since dash sentence on to gendered using gendered here and or noun, no connect use and sentence. Sentence reason 1, reason 2, which leads to gerund use, you can use noun. Example, transitions beside dash previous paragraph ideas dash and next paragraph ID is written. Transition you can first second for second paragraph. Moreover, dash next paragraphs ID is written dash for next paragraph is written. Best structure, base of structure. The trend of dash is getting common. It will have fruitful consequence in the future because of not only main idea 1 as a gerund noun but also main idea 2 as gerund noun and main idea 3 as gerund noun. The aforementioned development leads to dash main idea 1 as gerund plus noun. This is because the reason of main idea is 1 as a complete sentence. For example, had development not happened, main idea 1 would not have happened. Consequently, result of main idea is 1 as complete sentence. Using second paragraph beside how to write for second paragraph beside is transition main idea 1 as gender noun comma main idea 2 in complete sentence. The reason behind for explanation, the reason behind this is reason for main idea 2 as complete sentence and thereby result of main idea student. Moreover, main idea 3 as complete sentence since reason of main idea 3 as complete sentence. This time only those people who know about how to write, and this is the 8 band templates, so you can use this one. So that's the reason I just say to how to use X. No, a survey revealed that development led to main idea 3 as complete sentence. How to write conclusion to recapitulate on to main idea 1 as zero noun, main idea 2 as zero noun, and main idea 3 as zero noun. The development is a positive negative development. Example, an increasing number of people are buying what they need online. Is it positive or negative development? Now we can use not explain BPs as effect of the trend, effect paragraph formation, main ideas, effect of the topic, main idea. Example, positive, negative result, make it advantages or disadvantages. Rephrasing is same as in positive or negative development. Thesis, conclusion, and options. Concept is for advantages and disadvantages, we need to present point neutrally. The merit of dash are not only dash but also dash sentence. Nevertheless, the demerits which are dash and dash cannot be overlooked. Dash and dash are the merits. Nevertheless, the demerits which are dash and dash cannot be overlooked. Another one, along, although it leads to merit 1 and merit 2, its negative sides on to demerit 1 and demerit 2 also exists. This essay will cover has covered two areas: the advantages of dash trend, which include A1 and A2, and its disadvantages, which consist of not only D1 but also D2. ਸਾਰਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕੁਛ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਜੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਤੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਐਸੇ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਰੀਫਰੇਜ਼ਿੰਗਸ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨਸ ਭਰਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚ now next move to wait for break. Let's start. For advantages outweigh and more than the disadvantage, we need to present our inclination towards our side. It is indubitably leads to not only right merit 1 but also right merit 2. However, the demerits which are right demerits 1 and demerits 2 supersede the merits. Second, how to write in second method. First merit and second merits are its merits. Nevertheless, the demerits which are dash and dash are more. Although it leads to merit 1 and merits 2, its negative side onto demerit 1 and demerit 2 overshadows the positive side. Dash is less significant in front of dash and dash. Since dash cannot be sacrificed for dash and dash, the second supersedes the first side. Now, how to write body paragraph for advantage and disadvantages. The above development leads to a reason 1. This is because reason 1 complete sentence, and for example, had development not happened, a reasons would not have happened. Consequently, this result of A1 as complete sentence. Second, moreover, its result in A2. The reason behind this is reason of A2 as complete sentence, thereby result of advantages to as a gerund. Despite the aforementioned many if affects disadvantage one since reason of disadvantage as complete sentence x connector no connector used there when you use comma punctuation is also important in essays to get 7 plus band result of d1 as complete sentence this dash a survey revealed that for example how to write example a survey revealed that development lead to demerit one as a complete sentence beside d1 and d2 reason which leads to dash genus use genus sentence or noun for advantages outweigh disadvantages. The above development leads to A1. This because a reason of A1 as complete sentence. For example, had development not happened, A1 would not have happened. Consequently, result of A1 as complete sentence. Second, how to write second sentence. Despite A1, its affects D1 since reason of D1 as complete sentence, comma, no connector use, result of D1 as complete sentence. A survey, for example, how to write a survey will that development leads to D1 as complete sentence. Moreover, D2, the reason behind this is a reason of D2 as complete sentence. Thereby use connector for result of D2 as a genus. Adding preservative in food. A1 taste, A2 long life of food. D1 healthy effect. Health effect more than taste and long life of food. Use this technique also. I can explain another video so you can subscribe my channel so get more details on these essays. I also provide written essays. This is template of 8 plus band. Use logic for showing one side to be heavier than the second side. First, opposite side, shorter item initially, your side long term eventually. For long term results, short term results initially, eventually. Urbanization initially, example, urbanization on urbanization. Initially, the competition for city people will increase. Eventually, there will be more quality, less probability. Space programs. There are a few chances of finding a new habitat for humans. Surety, use may, might, can, could possibility. Like these can chance of finding new habitat for humans. These can possibility of finding a new habitat for humans. Definitely, it wastes a lot of resource that can be used for other development. This is for your side, this one, this is not for this side, this is used for this side. Okay, don't be confused on this sentence. And third one for opposite side, few people like monopoly in advertisements. A few businessmen will be notified. Majority, show you majority your side. Most of the local vendors will have to shut down. Second type, advantage disadvantages essay. Increasing number of people are buying what they need online. What are the advantages and disadvantages for both individuals and compares companies to shopping online? Intro. The trend of dash is getting popular. The trend of dash is being followed by dash. Neutral state